Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes with a white exterior and a beige interior. Sunroof. Formatic, Mercedes-Benz, and GLA 250 badging. Power open and close trunk. Rear seats. Have blind spot assist, memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle, 22,350. Push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, as well as backup camera. Mercedes-Benz shifter, steering wheel controls. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.